Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10. Very important questions. Question number 1. Find the values of k for which the line k minus 3 into x minus 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0 is parallel to the x-axis, B parallel to the y-axis, C passing through the origin. Solution. Given equation of line is k minus 3 into x minus 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. Say number 1. Coming to first one, that is A. Since line 1 is parallel to x-axis, line 1 is parallel to x-axis. So then equation will be in the form of y is equal to something. So x will not be there. Therefore, coefficient of x is equal to 0. Therefore, k minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 3. B. Since line 1 is parallel to y-axis, therefore equation will be in the form of x is equal to, therefore coefficient of y is equal to 0. Therefore, minus into 4 minus k square is equal to 0. This implies k square is equal to 4. This implies k is equal to plus or minus 2. Third one. Since line 1 passes through origin, therefore 1 implies k minus 3 into 0 minus 4 minus k square into 0 plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0 implies k minus 1 into k minus 6 is equal to 0 implies k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 6. Second question. Find the values of theta and p if the equation x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p is the normal form of the line root 3 into x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Solution. Given equation of line is root 3 into x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies root 3x plus y is equal to minus 2 implies minus root 3x minus y is equal to 2. Say number 1. Dividing equation 1 by square root of square of coefficient of x plus square of coefficient of y, that is square root of minus root 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 is equal to 2. We get minus root 3 divided by 2 into x plus minus 1 by 2 into y is equal to 1. Here both, that is coefficient of x and coefficient of y, are negative. We supposed to write in the form of x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. So cos and sin both are negative. This is possible only in the third quadrant. And for which angle of sin we will get 1 by 2. That is pi by 6. Therefore, this equation can be written as x into cos pi plus pi by 6 plus y into sin pi plus pi by 6 is equal to 1. This implies x cos 7 pi by 6 plus y sin 7 pi by 6 is equal to 1. Comparing this equation with x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p, we get theta is equal to 7 pi by 6 and p is equal to 1. Third question. Find the equations of the lines which cut off intercepts on the axis whose sum and products are 1 and minus 6 respectively. Solution. Let A and B be the x and y intercepts respectively. then a plus b is equal to 1, say number 1, and AB is equal to minus 6. This implies B is equal to minus 6 divided by A, say number 2. From 1 and 2, A minus 6 by A is equal to 1 implies A square minus 6 is equal to A. This implies A square minus A minus 6 is equal to 0 implies A minus 3 into A plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to 3 or A is equal to minus 2. When A is equal to 3, from 2, B is equal to minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to minus 2. When A is equal to minus 2, from 2, B is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, required equation of line is x by 3 plus y divided by minus 2 is equal to 1, or x divided by minus 2 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1 in intercept form. That is minus 2x plus three y is equal to minus 6, or 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. That is 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Fifth question. Find perpendicular distance from the origin of the line joining the points with coordinates cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. Solution. Equation of line through the points with coordinates cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi is y minus sin theta is equal to sin phi minus sin theta divided by cos phi minus cos theta into x minus cos theta by using y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 form. Implies cos phi minus cos theta into y minus sin theta into cos phi minus into minus plus sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin phi minus sin theta into x minus sin phi into cos theta minus into minus plus sin theta into cos theta. From both sides we can cancel sin theta cos phi and sin theta cos phi. This implies sin phi minus sin theta into x minus cos phi minus cos theta into y plus sin theta cos phi minus sin phi cos theta is equal to 0. This implies sin phi minus sin theta into x minus cos phi minus cos theta into y plus sin phi minus theta is equal to 0. Say number 1. Therefore, distance of origin with coordinate 0, 0 from line 1 is t is equal to absolute value of sin phi minus sin theta into 0 minus cos phi minus cos theta into 0 plus sin phi minus theta whole divided by square root of sin phi minus sin theta whole square plus cos phi minus cos theta whole square. D is equal to absolute value of sin phi minus theta divided by square root of, by expanding the brackets, sin square phi plus sin square theta minus 2 sin phi sin theta plus cos square phi plus cos square theta minus 2 cos phi into cos theta is equal to absolute value of sin phi minus theta divided by square root of sin square phi cos square phi is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write 2, and from these two terms, let us take minus sign common, or minus 2 we can take. So then we will get cos phi into cos theta plus sin phi into sin theta is equal to absolute value of sin phi minus theta divided by square root of, here again we can take 2 common, then we can write 1 minus cos phi minus theta. This is equal to absolute value of sin phi minus theta divided by square root of 2 into 2 sin square phi minus theta by 2 by using half angle formula is equal to square root of 4 we can write outside, and here square root of sin square phi minus theta by 2, that can be written as absolute value of sin phi minus theta by 2. Therefore, absolute value of sin phi minus theta divided by 2 into absolute value of sin phi minus theta by 2, or we can write this as 1 by 2 into absolute value of sine phi minus theta divided by sine phi minus theta by